Blink Health Honest Review. Wait before using. So Blink Health is an online pharmacy service that offers prescription medication at discount price by negotiating directly with pharmaceutical companies. Blink Health aims to provide affordable medication to consumers regardless of their insurance status. Users can purchase medication through their website or mobile app and choose between home deliveries or pick up at a local participating pharmacy. And here are the key features about this platform. So they provide a discount medication which give access to over 15,000 prescription medication at a reduced price, and also a flexible fulfillment option which shows the between home delivery or pickup at over 35,000 participating pharmacies nationwide. And also price transparency is allowed, and mobile app which manage prescription, compares price and place order through a user-friendly app available on iOS and Android. And here are the pros and cons about this platform. So cost saving is also a part of the pros. Conveniency, no insurance required, and user-friendly platform. And here are the downside about this platform. So customer service issues, delivery delay, and variable pricing. And here the final conclusion about this platform. So Blink Health provides a valuable service by offering discount prescription medication with the convenience of online ordering and flexible fulfillment option. However, potential users should be aware of reported customer service challenges and occasional delivery delay. It is advisable to compare price with other discounts program and consult with healthcare provider to ensure that Blink Health meets individual needs and expectation.